Umshini wokusiza u-100 ukuthi aphefumule udinga ugesi ukuthi usebenze. Njengoba ugesi unokucisha kuba nzima ukuthi aphefumule. Indodakazi yakhe ithi ukungabibikho kukagesi kulamasonto edlule kubakhathaza kakhulu.
For us it feels like we're going to lose my father in the next few days because of there's no power. And it's not good. They must switch the power on immediately, as soon as possible, because see how's my father lying.
Izakhamuzi zithi kunzima nokupheka.
It's very frustrating because the kids can't go to school. We can't find candles at the shop. Gas is high. No wood.
No, they must just fix the things as quick as possible because we don't even receive updates regarding this whole incident. So we just wake up. It's always dark.
Umasipala isolplike uthi abantu abalungisa ugesi basebenza ngokusikhandla ukulungisa.
An MV cable was damaged by contractors, which is the cable feeding Roodepan, which is the reason why most parts of Roodepan were without power. Fortunately, most parts of Roodepan powers were restored, but our electricians are doing what they can to restore power currently.
Izakhamuzi zaseRoodepan zithi isikhathi lesithembiso esingagcinwa.